Imagine it's late afternoon, the sun beginning to set, and you're coming home after a long day. As you approach your townhouse, you're greeted by a small front yard, neatly arranged, full of color and charm. Even though it's just a few square meters, it can create a strong first impression for guests, neighbors, and even for yourself every time you return home. Today we'll explore front yard landscaping ideas for townhouses, helping you maximize every inch, making the space feel larger, functional, and beautiful. Chapter 1. Understanding your site. Before choosing plants or materials, first understand your site. Measure your front yard carefully and observe sunlight exposure. Does it get full sun all day? Or is it shaded by other buildings or trees? Check the soil condition too. In urban townhouses, soil may be compacted or partially paved, so raised beds or large containers might be necessary. Knowing these details helps you select the right plants and design that will last. A successful landscape is not just about aesthetics, but matching plants to climate and space. Functional and beautiful.
Chapter 2. Using vertical space. A common challenge in townhouse front yards is narrow width. Vertical design solutions make the area feel fuller without crowding. Try installing a trellis for climbing plants like jasmine, bougainvillea, or mini wisteria. Using a vertical garden frame with stacked pots. Adding plant shelves at varying heights for visual interest. Keep colors and plant types consistent to avoid a cluttered look. For instance, choose a color palette of purple and white or green and yellow across all vertical elements.
Chapter 3. Creating an inviting pathway. Even in small yards, a clear path to your door is essential. Paths guide visitors and make the space feel organized. Material options: natural stone for a rustic look, concrete pavers for modern minimalism, white gravel for a relaxed, beachy vibe. A gently curved path can give the illusion of more space. Line the path with low plants like many lavender, rosemary, or ornamental grasses. They add charm and fragrance as people walk by. For instance, choose a color palette of purple and white or green and yellow across all vertical elements.
Chapter 4. Choosing the right plants. Plant selection is crucial. Avoid large, fast-growing plants in a small yard. Opt for dwarf varieties or compact species for balance. Good choices include small trees, dwarf citrus, mini olive, Japanese maple, mini, flowering plants, mini hydrangeas, geraniums, petunias, vinca. Decorative foliage for mini caladiums, coleus, or hosta for shaded areas. Mix leafy greens with flowering plants for texture and color, but stick to 3 to 4 main colors to maintain harmony.
Chapter 5. Adding a focal point. In a small space, one focal point anchors the design. This could be a large, colorful pot near the entrance, a small water fountain with gentle trickling sounds, a sculpture or decorative object that reflects your personality. The focal point should be visible from a distance and give the eye a destination.
Chapter 6. Playing with lighting. Lighting enhances the yard, especially at night. Use small spotlights on plants, path lights for safety, and wall-mounted lamps to highlight your facade. Solar lights are energy efficient and easy to install. Warm lighting makes a small yard feel cozy and welcoming.
Chapter 7. Using pots and containers.
If soil space is limited, containers save the day. Layer pots of different heights to create dimension. Tall at the back, medium in the middle, small in front. Pot materials affect style. Terracotta for rustic charm, concrete for modern minimalism, colorful ceramic for a cheerful vibe. Consistency in pot colors keeps the yard looking tidy.
Chapter 8. Seasonal Touches. Keep your yard fresh by swapping plants or decor with the seasons. Rainy season. Tropical plants that thrive in wet conditions. Summer. Heat-tolerant plants like succulents or mini cacti. Holidays. Add lanterns, small flags, or seasonal flowers in pots. Creating the best welcome. Your townhouse front yard is the face of your home. Even small, it can inspire pride, comfort, and beauty every time you come and go. With thoughtful planning, using vertical space, pathways, right plants, focal points, lighting, and pots, you can transform a small yard into a charming, functional landscape. Don't let limited space limit your creativity. Your home's first impression deserves the best touch.